Not too long ago, I got this alarm clock from a company called La Crosse Technology, which is obviously based in La Crosse, Wisconsin. And it's the same shape as a lot of classic alarm clocks, except it is much smaller. It's basically just got this tiny motherboard that's connected to everything. And you got your hour button, your minute button, your time set, alarm on, alarm off, and snooze button. And it's powered by a single AA battery, so you don't even have to plug it into the wall. Now, it's not put together very well, so it can come apart, but aside from that, it does its job. Although I have gotten tired of the beeping sound it makes. It's kind of boring. So I wanted to see if there was an alarm clock that can play mp3 files. So I got this alarm clock off eBay, and the listing said it was an mp3 player. Now at first I wasn't sure how that worked, but then I noticed it had a micro SD card slot on the side. So my guess is I just need to save some mp3 files to a micro SD card, slide it in there, and then I can tell it to play the mp3 files as an alarm. But first, let's see what this thing can do by default. The rubber bands attached to the power cord are so old I started ripping them off like paper.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Alright, it's telling me it's 15 something. Now what? Well, while this is charging, I'm gonna go get this set up. Alright, so here are my mp3 files, and here's the new micro SD card. So, just highlight these real quick. Alright, there we go. So I'm not able to get this into here to click, and I have no idea why that is. Well, I was able to set the alarm and get it going. I found that if I push this in, it goes to the radio.
FM tuner.
Well, I got the SD card in, but it won't play the music on the SD card, even though it will play it when I put it into my computer.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Music. FM tuner. Hope you have a